boys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V Tutorials. Today we'll be looking at how you can claim today's combo, which is 3rd of July 2024. So all you just need to do is to make sure you have your account already. And if you do not have your account ready, I'll drop a referral link at the descriptive section of the video so that you can use it to sign up. Okay, so all you just need to do is to make sure you also have a data connections, and let's do this. Okay, you can see up this place, you can see the daily rewards, you can see the daily C4, you can see the daily combo. Okay, but our major target today is going to be on this daily combo, right? So let's quickly dive into that. Before I jump into that, if you are kind of new to this channel, or you've seen this channel for the first time and you are yet to subscribe, please do well to subscribe and like my videos, and as well share my videos. Okay, so let's quickly go into that. So we're going to click on the daily combo, which we have done that already. So now we are going to trace where those combos really are. Okay, so let's begin by searching for them. Okay, so I think this is one of it, of the Genfi tokens. Genfi tokens is one of the daily combo today. Let's hit it up and see what it owns for us. Get it? Wow, I think we're lucky enough. Some of the combo today. So we're not going to say cool, first card is ready, don't stop. So we're going to hustle for the 2 left combo. Okay, right? So let's go on. Let's look for a sec transparency. All right, trading bots, P2P, and others. Let's move to Lega and see. Oh, this is a sec transparency, right? I think this is a second combo, so let's give it a try. Wow, second one unlocked. We're lucky enough too. So let's go to another in order to get this 5 million combo today, 5 million coins today. So let's go for the third one, which I think we should go close to this special. So looking at the special, we're going to trace this. I think this is the third one, this under the countdown, right? This is the third one. So we're going to click on it and see. Wow, then this is a congratulations to us. So the next thing you just need to do is to click on the take the price. Okay, we're going to click on take the price, and the price shall be ours. Okay, so after this, now we're just going to click on take the price. Take the price. Wow, and we have gotten 5 million coin for today. Okay, you can see this place has been ticked now. That is, we have secured the 5 million coin for today. All right, so let's add up some daily rewards, the 15K coins, and that will be all for now. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being with me today to the end of the video. So I will see you in my next video. If you have any questions, do not forget to drop it in the comment sections, and I'll get to you ASAP. Okay, bye.